Is your workplace first aid kit ready for any emergency? Using eAuditor, ensure your kits are complete, clean, and compliant. This checklist supports quick responses during minor injuries and emergencies. Start by noting the kit's location and reference number. Record the inspection date and inspector's name. Ensure the kit is easy to access and clearly labeled. Check that it is clean and in good condition without damage. Confirm a checklist is available inside. Ensure adhesive bandages of assorted sizes are present. Check for sterile gauze pads and roller bandages. Verify the availability of antiseptic wipes and alcohol pads. Confirm antibiotic ointment and burn cream are stocked. Saline solution for eye wash should also be included. Check for scissors, tweezers, and non-latex gloves. Ensure a CPR face shield or mask is available. Verify the presence of instant cold packs and an emergency blanket. Confirm finger splints and triangular bandages are stocked. Include approved medications like pain relievers and antihistamines. Ensure all items are within their expiry dates. Confirm supplies are fully stocked and used items are replaced. Remove any damaged or expired items. Keep the emergency contact list updated. Ensure the kit meets Class A requirements and includes first aid instructions. Identify missing or expired items during inspection. Designate someone responsible for restocking supplies. Set a deadline for restocking to ensure compliance. Have the inspector and supervisor sign off with names and dates. This ensures accountability and timely replenishment. Regular inspections and prompt restocking are crucial. Maintain compliance with Class A standards and OSHA requirements. Stay prepared, safe, and compliant with this first aid kit checklist.